In module programming, like introduction like events in module program and structures of module program, examples on text field. So examples on input fields and buttons and boxes with the simple real-time examples on table strip, examples on table control, and example on editable table control, and navigation between the screens, and how to call the call screens and set screens and leave screens using POV and POH events. Now next we are going to discussing about object-oriented ABAP. In object-oriented ABAP, how to create a classes, how to call that particular classes, how to create an object, how to create an interface. Now next, there are different components in classes. There are the different types of interfaces, the visibility of components. Now next, examples of interfaces and the static attributes, examples on method using the import and export table types and table context and its types. So as well as I will give you the real-time examples and constructions using the interfaces like alias, inheritance, abstraction classes, and local classes for all the above the concepts. Now next we are going to discussing about object-oriented ALV reports, like object-oriented ALV with structures, object-oriented ALV with field catalog, object-oriented ALV with field catalog merge. Or there are different type of interfaces, object-oriented interfaces in ALV. Yeah, as well as I will give the clear-cut information with real-time object-oriented interfaces with ALV with two grids in single screen, real-time object-oriented ALV with three real-time ALVs split it to the control to the real-time. In real-time ALV with logos on top of page. There are different types of exits is there, like a user exit. What are the user exit, a real-time examples as well as user exit. Now next we are going to discussing about customer exit. What is the customer exit? There are types of customer exits is there, like we'll give the examples. Function module exit by using call customer. Now next we are going to discussing about function module exit using to the call customer using the S mode. Examples on menu exits, examples on screen exits, examples on field exit will give the clear-cut information at the level of programming. Now next we are going to discussing about baddie, like a business add-on. It is one type of enhancement. Anyway, what is a baddie? Difference between the exits and baddies, like a single implementation of baddie. Now next, multiple implementation of the baddie. How to filtering to the baddies and custom baddies. We'll give the three real-time examples on baddies. Now next we are going to discussing about enhancement parts. So why we are going to enhancement? There are different types of standard programs and standard tables is available in our SAP system. So we need not to write from the scratch. We had just enhance that particular standard T codes. So by the client requirement. So no worry, that will do technical specification. So our functional guys will give the help. So what is an enhancement spot, the types of enhancement, what is the spot of enhancement, examples of implicit spots. Now next, BAPI. So what are the bears or what is the BAPIs are, like what is BAPI? Well, there are different types of rules there. We'll discussing all those things, difference between the RFC and BAPIs, the various scenarios of BAPIs, creating the custom BAPI, a real-time example, uploading to the BAPI. So uploading, we are going to the programming level, will give the more code, but there's some standard BAPIs is there. So we can use that particular BAPI, then upload all the files into the non-SAP to SAP, SAP to non-SAP in real time reporting using the BAPIs working. Now next, ALE IDOCs. What is ALE IDOC and types of data transfers? Now next, what is EDI? What is the IDOCs, and with real-time examples of IDOCs and real-time components like IDOCs. Now next we are going to discussing about message type, how to create a message type. Now next, steps to create a segments. There are different types of segments, we'll discussing later. So how to create a segments, how to transfer into the one client to the another client, steps to create IDOCs. Now next, segment structures into the data transfer. Now next, outbound programming on configuration settings. Now next, tables of message types and IDOC types and outbound programming process code. Now next we are going to discussing about in IDOCs, like filtering. In IDOC filtering, like a segment filtering, and custom IDOCs, like a custom IDOCs, how to create a custom IDOCs. Now next, extended IDOCs and reducing the IDOC. Now next, changing the pointers. So a real-time scenario in the extended IDOC, like function exposures, like HD, like a sales and distribution. in sales distribution like a business flow and T codes and tables and reports, as well as like a material management, business flow and T codes and tables and report will give the clear information at the level of explanation. So as well as I will give the FICO flow also. So SAP ABAP with real-time exposures like ASAP methods explained with case studies and real-time business scenario. Now next, what is the support project issues and in real time how to raise a ticket and incident of the handling process, how to responding to the particular as a SAP ABAP consultant. Now next, we are going to discussing about preparation. So resume preparation. Now next we are going to discussing about as well as SAP ABAP real-time interview questions as well as answers in like a technical and ABAP interview process like a telephonic and face-to-face or a video conference. So how to crack that face-to-face and video conference in video conference will give the clear-cut information what type of question they are asking, and all those things. Now next, preparation of the ABAP domain and how to SAP systems and real-time exposure concepts. Now next, so this is the content we'll discussing all those things in the next couple of sessions. Okay, thank you.